Oh, hello there to all my YouTube friends. I don't know about you, but in my house, no matter what time of year it is, coffee is always happening in the morning. And I just wanted to get ready for summer by doing a little summer coffee bar setup. So let's get going. There's just a few steps to get this done. A couple videos ago, I shared 3 ways to style floating shelves. And I'm sharing a 4th way today by turning this area into a coffee bar. So here's the plan. I thought the top shelf would be great for some cute signs and some other decorative items. The middle shelf can hold easy to grab essentials like mugs, and then the lowest level will be where we need the easiest access to items such as the coffee maker and K-cups. I start by cleaning up the space that we are going to do our summer coffee bar. I want to thank Kenya's Decor Corner and Diva Designing on a Dime for hosting this challenge. I love both of their channels, and there will be a playlist with other videos showing summer coffee bar ideas. So I'll link that playlist down below along with Kenya and Kimberly's channels. No matter how you have your coffee station set up now in your home, it's always fun to switch things up, either seasonally or if you're having guests over. Sometimes it just might make a little bit more sense to move things around to accommodate your guests. Or if you're having a small get-together, you may want your coffee area to be really central, like maybe on your kitchen island or in your formal dining room. You don't have to get fancy and buy a bunch of new stuff for your coffee bar. I always shop my own house for the look and a color scheme that I'm going for. The kitchen island ended up being my palette, and I could pick and choose whatever I wanted for this coffee bar. I just grabbed anything with yellow or orange hues to them, and I was also looking for things that had like a summer vibe. I played around with the layout until everything looked just right to my eye. Hey, if you're stopping by my channel for the first time, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate your love and support on my channel. My name is Maria, and my passion is sharing ways to get creative in your home. If you like home DIYs and other types of creative inspiration, please hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell right now, and then you'll know when my next creative inspiration video goes up. The details are what make any design look extra special. To make this coffee bar feel more summery, I added some fresh flowers from my garden. And I also printed out this yellow canopy to make it look more like a coffee storefront. I printed 3 of these out and trimmed them. Then I taped them together and then taped them to the top shelf. I also put together this infographic showing various ways that you could put together your coffee. I placed this in a picture frame and put it on the top shelf of our coffee bar. I will have a blog post with these printables at artsycupcake.com, just in case you want to print these out for yourself. I also designed these name tags to go on the mugs. I used a piece of twine to tie them onto the handle of each mug. If you're having guests over, this is a great way to make each guest feel extra cared for. These ideas are so inexpensive, it's just printing things out on your printer and using things that are around your house. So here is the before. And here it is with its summer coffee bar makeover. Hopefully this gave you a few styling ideas for your coffee bar area. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. I just love hearing from you guys. If you want to see some more ideas on how to decorate for when you're having guests over, then check out this playlist over here, and then there's a little subscribe button right down here, so make sure to click on that so you know when my next video goes up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.